Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious Kings and I am super excited to have you here. I'm super excited you're coming across my tutorial. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And to my old subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for always supporting me. You have a special place in my heart. My new subscribers, you also have a special place in my heart. So guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to add these auto captions you're seeing on my screen. I'm going to be teaching you how to add it with just your CapCut app. Okay, so you do not want to skip this video. Okay guys, let's dive in. One more thing, please like this video so that the YouTube algorithm would push this video to more people who would be interested in this information, and also share this video. Okay, let's dive in. Let's get started. Yeah, so guys, the first thing you have to do is to open your CapCut app, then you tap on new project and then you import the video you want to use. This is the video I want to use. Then you tap on add. Yes, once you tap on add, this is the video. I'm just going to scroll through the options I have down below and I'm going to tap on these captions I'm seeing. Now once I tap on captions, I'm going to see diverse effects of captions I can use. So many effects, so you can pick whichever captions effect you want to use, but for this tutorial I'm going to be using the first one. Once I tap on it, I'm going to tap on this generate option down below. Okay, and I'm just going to wait for it to generate. It's going to be very fast in generating, but you just have to give it a bit of time to generate until it gets to 100%. Yes, it's close. Yeah, so it's finally generated, as you can see showing on your screen from this tutorial. So now let's play it and see what it sounds like. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious Kings and I am super excited to have you here. Yes, so as you can see, it's saying exactly, it's giving me captions of exactly what I said. So if any of the captions it gave is not really what you said in your video, all you have to do is to tap on it, tap on that barrel icon and edit it and add whatever word it misinterpreted. Okay, so that's basically how to do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.